so bored. All my friends are busy. Anthony is studying. George is helping someone. Vera went to her mother's job for the day. Yeehaw! Woo-hoo! Hey! Yeah!
12 p.m. in Traintown.
I'd like to talk to you.
Hello there, Ethan.
Hey, tell me, can you brake?
I'm afraid that's impossible.
No, you didn't get me. I want you to pretend you're broken, just for a few hours. Can you? Can you?
Well, no. Tell me why. Well, all right. Just for you, then. All right.
Thank you, Mr. Clockface.
Mr. Clockface, what time is it?
Well, I don't know now. I'm temporarily broken.
Oh, it's a disaster. I'm really late for my lesson.
Anthony, Mr. Clockface broke. He needs our help. I have a watch. I need to run it again.
I can't, I'm sorry. I have a lot of summer training to do.
Do you want to leave the city without a clock, Anthony?
Very well. Well, all right, but only for Clockface.
What are we gonna do?
We're going to George, and you call Vera and ask her to come.
Hello, hi.
Hello, Vera, it's me. Mr. Clockface broke his clock, and we need to fix it. Come quickly.
Hey, George, Mr. Clockface is broken. We need to run his clock. Quick.
Clock? I had some information about it, I'm sure. Well. I don't remember where I put it, so I'll try it my way. That didn't help.
What's that?
Too many parts. Let's try pendulum technology. I've read that every clock in the world has a pendulum. You can swing it and run the clock.
Where do you run it to? To space? Well, we need to go to Mr. Clockface.
What time is it?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I really don't know.
But what do you mean? If you don't know, then no one will know.
I'm broken. Well, sort of, anyway.
I'm confused. What do you mean? What time do I need to go to work?
What happened?
Clockface is broken. Now everybody in town is late. And confused as well.
Clockface is broken? Well, Mr. Clockface has about 10 clocks. Something's fishy here. What's going on?
I asked Mr. Clockface to stop the clock for a few hours.
What?
I wanted to gather my friends together.
Whoa.
They were all busy and minding their own business. But I wanted to have fun all together. But I failed miserably, I see that now. The clock isn't working now, and it's all my fault.
How could you do that, Ethan? I was late for work because of you.
And I missed my classes. You really shouldn't have done that.
You should have, son.
He's right, you know. You should have done it, just for your friendship. Look at that. They're all together again.
Hey guys, look, I brought you a new clock.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
I really like this new clock.
Too bad we're not allowed to participate in the street race.
Well, you know that we are just little kids, and our parents are worrying about us, that's all.
Uh-huh. They themselves can do what they please. Stay up late at night, or go for a street race. When I grow up, I will be a super racer.
Yee-hoo!
Give way! Who is the super racer here? You are? You wouldn't succeed in racing a turtle. No, you wouldn't. I can race you anytime. Wanna bet? Ha! Are you scared or what? Coward. I'm not a coward. You're on. I'll race you to the end of the street and back. Ha!
Ethan, I don't think it's a good idea.
Let's go. Whistle to start.
You are a hooligan. You broke a valuable prize. I'm taking you to your parents right away, and I hope they ground you with no movies or games.
I picked the tastiest engine grease. I really hope George likes it.
George! George!
Hi there.
How are you? What did your parents say?
They say I'm not allowed to go and see my friends. Yet on the other hand, they said nothing about my friends coming to see me.
We decided to cheer you up.
Ethan, it is you that I don't want to see. It was you who broke the prize, and I got punished for that. I think you should have told them the truth.
But I would have been punished, and I...
You guys may come in and help me to do something important.
What's going on with you, Ethan?
Nothing really.
Now tell me seriously, are you kidding me? I am an old battle iron horse. I see you're sad. You can tell me anything. I can maybe help you out.
I broke the prize. But George is the one that got punished for that. And I don't know what to do.
Well, I would say that if you did something wrong, you are the one responsible. That's right, even if you've done wrong, it is unfair when another guy is charged for your misdeed. Do you get it? And no fear, ever never.
That's it. I told you everything. It was me who broke the prize. Forgive George. He's innocent.
Well done, Ethan. You are very brave. I wouldn't tell if I were you, because I would be scared to death.
Listen, just tell my mom and dad to ground me in my room for what I did.
We made a new prize. Even better. It's even better. Friends again, Ethan, right, friend?
Yeah.
It's raining, and I'm alone again. My mom's at work, as always, and nobody calls me. Oh, life is such a bad thing. Hello, Mrs. Dove.
Well, hi there, Vera. Why are you so blue today?
Oh, well, I'm just unlucky in life. My mom told me to buy some engine oil. Mrs. Dove, may I please get half a tank?
Don't be sad. Life is like a railroad at times. It may be flat, it may be downhill, and there are sharp turns sometimes, to be sure, my dear. I have something for you, though. Just wait.
These flowers are so beautiful.
Vera, why beautiful? The wilted flowers? Hi there.
Hello, Vera.
Oh, guys, life is so beautiful.
You really think so? To me, it looks like it's gonna rain soon.
And we were missing a third player. We were going to play soccer.
Yeah, with Sam Spark and his team. They have 3 people, and we only have 2.
I don't like to lose at soccer.
Hooray, soccer! This is so awesome!
Vera, what is happening to you? You never enjoyed soccer before.
You're behaving very strangely today.
That's because Vera is looking at the world through pink glasses. That means she sees only the good side in everything.
Yes, I feel so good.
Are those magic glasses?
Vera, can I try them on?
Of course.
We gotta go.
Wait up, guys. I didn't warn them, but no worries. I know they are going to come back.
What have I done? I was supposed to buy engine oil for my mom.
And you bought glasses instead?
Yes.
Everything's gonna be okay. Now we are gonna win Sam Sparky's team. Then we'll come back to the shop to return the glasses and buy engine oil. Enjoy life. Follow me. Come on, guys.
What's wrong, Ethan? Why are you so distracted?
Did I miss the ball, Anthony?
Of course you did. Maybe you should take off the glasses.
Tell me, was that good? Oh. Mrs. Dove, we really need the pink glasses again so the world can become better.
I don't have pink glasses. I only have these black shades. They're very cool. Do you want to try them on?
Everything looks bad with these glasses.
Yes, but we lost because of the pink glasses.
And I let my mom down because of them.
Don't cry, Vera. We can take some oil, well, from my mother.
And next time we are definitely gonna win.
Look, guys, glasses have nothing to do with all of that, I assure you. They just protect you from the sun. Life is like a railroad. What's most important is to look ahead and move on.
Life is beautiful anyway.
Hey, George, what are you doing?
I'm thinking about my plans for the weekend. To search for treasure or to catch the wind.
Forget about your plans. We are going to go fishing.
Did you say fishing?
Yeah, my dad is going to take us with him to go fishing.
Really?
Let's go. We need to prepare the fishing rods.
Ethan, have you ever gone fishing before?
This is my first time.
So tell me, do you know what bait we should use?
Hey there, guys.
Vera, hi there.
Hello there, Vera.
Hey, guys, where are you going?
Well, we are going to go fishing.
What do you say? Are you really going to go fishing together?
Yes, with real fishing rods and everything.
Uh-huh.
Will you, take me with you?
Well, we'll need to think about it.
No need to think at all. Fishing is not for girls, so that's that then.
But why? But why is that?
Because only real trains go fishing, Vera. That's the way it is. Sorry about that. Come on, George, let's go. We have a very important day tomorrow.
So only real trains go fishing? We'll see about that.
We've been here for an hour at least. And we haven't caught a single fish, Dad.
We just need to have some patience, Ethan.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da.
Quiet. You'll scare the fish away, boys.
So fishing is when you sit down and don't even talk to anybody?
Yes. You have to sit, my boy, patiently. Just wait and think. Look, just like George.
Well, fishing is so boring. No singing and no talking. No fish at all. Fishing without fish. What a bore. I'm gonna go look for something to do. Hooray! Ha-ha-ha! Now I know where big fish are to be found. This is so great. You can even catch it. without using a rod. Well, we have to do something creative. Wowee! Yeah! Turn on the engines. I'm gonna catch the biggest fish ever. My father and George will be so surprised. There are so many fish here. It's really great. Wow, this is what I call real fishing. I'll stay right where I am. There are so many fish over here. And they can jump right into my boat. This is so much fun. What is that noise? Where is it coming from? Oh, it's a dam.
Ethan and George will be very surprised when I catch some fish all by myself. He won't say silly things anymore, like only real trains can catch fish.
Help me, please.
Ethan, where are you going?
I'm not the one. It's the stream that's pulling me, Vera.
Oh, there must be a dam ahead. Ethan, you have to turn on your engines upstream.
That's right. Oh boy, I should have guessed that for myself. Oh, 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 oh. Oh boy, oh boy. Vera, please help me.
I'm coming, hold on. What can I do? Think, Vera, just think.
Vera!
Ethan, open the sail now. The sail. Hooray, you're okay, Ethan, hooray.
Thank you so much, Vera. If it wasn't for you...
But Ethan, anyone would do the same thing that I did.
Listen, when you're fishing, the most important thing is just to sit. Sit patiently. Just wait and think.
You mean like they are?
Fire! Oh, I can't see anything. Full speed ahead! After them! Aha! We got you! Stop the game! Time to go home.
Do you want to skate some more? It's been really fun.
You see, every night I watch the moon in a telescope. Want to watch with me?
It's amazing.
They say there are even trains on the moon, and pictures of them exist.
The moon's not a big deal. The scientists in space feel at home. That's the story.
Oh, let me see it.
Ah! I'd love to visit the moon one day.
George, you're the scientist. Tell us how to get there.
Theoretically, with a little help and grace, no problem.
Wow, so you can go to space.
Ouch!
Virtual reality!
Full steam ahead!
Hey, where's Ethan?
Craters are awesome!
Ethan! Where are you going?
Ouch! Where are they? Oh! After them!
But I can't see anything.
a bit.
Wow, look at that. They get their energy from the sun. They're solar aliens.
I think we should fill our tanks up too.
Yeah, it's time to go home.
Hey kids, dinner time. Refill your tanks.
Vera, George has created a virtual game. It's been awesome.
Yeah, a virtual reality experience.
It's all real, I tell you. Well, most.
Guys, look. I think I can see somebody there. On the moon.
Wow, no way.
Didn't we drop the idea of an actual space flight?
Oh, sorry, guys. I missed a bit again.
So, what's this? A festival?
The Lantern Festival. It's so beautiful in Traintown.
Vera, you made a really good festival.
Here are the instructions of how to make a lantern.
The Lantern Festival. All my dreams will come true.
Why is that?
Didn't you know? People put lanterns on water and make wishes. I will create a giant lantern. My biggest wish will come true. I'm going to go make it.
No, the lantern must be as light as my wish.
Why do you want a contest? You should all just be happy, and you shouldn't compete.
This is really stupid. To make giant lanterns to have your biggest wish come true. I'd better make many small lanterns to have many small wishes come true.
Wow, you see how big it is? George will be so jealous when he sees his lantern.
I'll have the brightest lantern of wishes. Ethan will be speechless when he sees it.
Steve will not be able to sleep if he sees that I made 1,000,000 lanterns. Oi, oi, oh!
Why do boys always spoil everything? The festival will start in an hour and they haven't even finished their competition.
Here is my giant. How can I get it to the river?
It's so heavy. How is it going to sail?
Oh no! It's fallen apart!
Well, the festival is ruined because of those stupid boys. Everything's in vain.
I would never want my friend Vera to cry.
I want my friends to never fight.
Let the Lantern Festival, which Vera created, begin.
I never want my friends to fight. Let my friends' wishes all come true, all of them, the brightest ones and the biggest ones. Well, where did you take the lanterns?
According to your instructions, my wish of making a lantern came true immediately. No free places. Let's go to a shooting gallery.
We can put a pillow under the wheel. That way, it will be easier to aim.
What's that? I'm going to sleep here? Well, I'll give it a try. What a surprise! Did you put that hypnotic pillow under my wheel on purpose? General, you... the surprises go on. Where is General?
This is outrageous. This is hooliganism, not a carousel.
How plush and beautiful.
Don't look at it. The prize is mine. We'll see whose prize it is.
I can't handle this. I'm getting nervous. What's happening? Did we win?
I won this for you, girls.
What a surprise! Thank you.
It's okay. I'll find another way to surprise you. Let's go.
There is something I don't like about Sam Sparky's surprise.
But I like surprises a lot. They're always so... Oh, I've forgotten the word. There's a letter S in it.
With the letter S? Of course. Sandy? Scary? Slippery? Or maybe smelly? No? Stinky?
Maybe she wanted to say squishy.
I got it! Unexpected! I wanted to say unexpected surprise.
And where's the letter S in it?
Are you kidding? Unexpected!
Achoo! Achoo!
Here, that's my prize. I've won it in bowling for you.
I can't take it anymore. Just leave me here, guys. Why is it always my turn to drag this huge wagon when we're climbing up? It's so unfair. I'm exhausted.
George, don't droop. Cheer up, we almost made it. Look at Vera, she's in good spirits.
I can't see anything. My glasses are all foggy now.
Look, we're almost there. Now get down there and take a turn, and then we'll be done.
Push me down, please. Please, somebody. I'm so stuck.
It's my turn now.
Interesting. Where could this trailer have gone to?
Oh dear, how can we go to the shore without sunshades and inflatables?
Well, the trailer could not run away alone. It was stolen. We must find it.
Oh, goodness. Do we really have to?
Hey there. Did you see our trailer come by this way by any chance?
It's so lovely and green.
What, your trailer ran away?
Lovely and green. Guys, you're so funny.
Did you see that?
See what?
A red elephant with a blue trunk. Uh-oh, it lives there in the bushes, I think. Huh?
A red elephant with a blue trunk.
Oh me, oh my. I must be seeing things again. It's the heat, I know it. I must be hallucinating.
No, Ethan, I haven't seen the trailer.
I think that it's far more comfortable to sunbathe in the nice cool shade, guys, than in the sun for sure. Huh? What was that? Did you see that now?
What? A red elephant?
No, something else. I saw a blue camel with stripes. It went in the bushes together with a red elephant. I'm pretty sure I've got sunstroke. I think you should take me to the shade now, please. I need to lay down for a while. I'm having heavy visual hallucinations.
Oh dear, he's got sunstroke.
I'm stricken, guys. Oh, guys, it's too bad you don't see my hallucinations. They're so very beautiful, guys.
Now it's clear. I can see what kind of hallucination you've got. Let's go fast before it disappears.
My red elephant is so lovely and soft.
Yeah, and my blue camel is ever so comfortable.
Go on, lay out in the sun. Burn yourself and wait for your own hallucinations as well.
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.